Hello everyone, this is Pranjali. Today I am here with the easiest sourdough focaccia recipe. Focaccia is Italian flatbread. Most commonly it is topped up with rosemary, tomatoes, olives or a parmesan cheese and salt. In my opinion, this bread goes very well with the Indian recipes also that call for pav or ladi pav. This is yet another overnight recipe which you can bake in any square or round pan. So let's get started with the recipe. I am taking 316 grams of water, that is 80% of hydration, 40 grams of starter, or you can replace it with pinch of instant yeast, 9 grams of salt, 10 grams of olive oil and 400 grams of flour. Here I am taking 50-50 mix of bread flour and all-purpose flour. You can go for just all-purpose flour or just bread flour. Here I am combining all the ingredients just until the flour is hydrated and there are no dry bits of it remaining. Then we will go for 3 sets of stretch and folds at the interval of 30 minutes and then we will leave the dough for overnight fermentation. Cover and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I am doing first set of stretch and fold. So wet your hand, grab the portion of the dough from the side and fold over. Repeat this for 4 times. Second set of stretch and fold. Now the third and the last stretch and fold. Dough is looking strong. Now we can directly transfer this dough into the baking tray or baking pan. Make sure you are generously coating the pan with the olive oil and then transfer the dough into the pan. Again coat the dough generously with the olive oil from all sides. And we are done here. Cover it and put it on the counter for overnight fermentation. Dough is looking like more than doubled in the morning. Now give one more generous coat of olive oil and then dimple the dough throughout. Make sure your fingers are going all the way through and touching the bottom of the pan. I am topping the dough just with coarse salt, but you can top with any vegetables of your choice. And in that case, make sure you are pressing all your toppings into the dough. And here is the focaccia ready. I have baked it at 450 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. It is crunchy from outside and extremely soft from inside. Take a look at the bottom side of this bread. You can eat this bread just like this, but today I am going to make a panini. And for that I have sliced the focaccia in a rectangular shape. Panini is Italian sandwich that is made with pesto sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese and grilled veggies. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button. And for more such a content, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye and take care.